What I'd like to talk to you today about is our outdoor cabinetry. We've got an outdoor cabinet line called NatureCast Outdoor Cabinets. They're complete weatherproof cabinets, from a waterproof drawer system, interior components, to the exterior closed cell foam doors. It's a remarkable product in the fact that the doors themselves, the cabinet, there's zero wood, zero pieces to rot within this cabinetry. So it will last a lifetime outside, and even comes with a 5-year warranty, whether it's covered or not covered in the exterior elements. Best part about working with NatureCast cabinets is their array of choices that they have. Unlike most outdoor cabinet line manufacturers, they have many amenities like your interior kitchens would have. Your trash cabinets. They also have things that your interior kitchens will not have, such as cooler cabinets and smoking egg grill cabinets, or cabinets specifically designed to house the larger grills on the market today. Very interesting component of the NatureCast cabinetry is the exterior doors and finished elements of the cabinetry. For this, they have used an extremely dense closed cell foam that you will see on the inside of this cut door. There are no wood components, even though it appears like real wood. Now, NatureCast, one thing we're not showing here are their upper cabinet elements. They have TV cabinets, they have large hoods for the exterior going over your grills, for the blower units. So if you did want to have this undercover and were worried about the smoke being an issue, they have ventilation systems for the exterior grills that can be housed inside of a NatureCast cabinet.